Hello, this video will show how to flip normals in Blender. This is the default scene. I delete the default object and I try to add a sphere to show how we can use normal. If we want to show the normals, we can go to here and check the boss face orientation. The blue color means the faces are facing outwards. If we go to Edit Mode and delete the faces, we can see that the inside is red color. The red color means faces are facing inwards. So I'm going back by undo. If we want to flip the normal, we can select the faces and then go to merge and normals, flip. Or we can use shortcut Alt-N and flip the normals. So the normals are flipped. This is how we can flip normals in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist B. See you in the next video. Bye bye.